Ask any audiophile and they'll tell you everything you want to know about the world-renowned audio company called Sennheiser. Considering the rising popularity of wireless earbuds, Sennheiser introduced the Sennheiser CX True Wireless. Now enhancing that, they announced Sennheiser CX Plus, which adds new features on their already popular earbuds. In today's video, we'll talk about the Sennheiser CX Plus and the new changes that came with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Going on sale on 29 September 2021 and costing $50 more than the original, the Sennheiser CX Plus offers everything the CX True Wireless had to offer, while adding active noise cancellation and aptX adaptive compatibility, which adds greatly to the immersion factor. It rivals earbuds like the OnePlus Buds Pro and Beats Studio earbuds in terms of performance. The CX Plus offers high-quality listening experience with the ANC. In terms of color, it comes in only a black and white version. Visually, it's larger than the average earbud, which makes people assume it might be heavier than the average earbud, but it's not. Surprisingly, the full package, which includes the charger and the earbuds, weigh a total of 47 grams, with each earbud weighing only 6 grams. The charger weighs about 35 grams. Being this lightweight, it sits very comfortably inside your ears. The earbuds also have a strong grip, ensuring it won't fall out even during the most rigorous physical activities. Keeping your comfort and different ear shapes in mind, the earbuds come with different sized rubber grips. The earbuds come with IPX4 water resistance rating, which makes it resistant against water splashes from any direction. Pairing is a cinch, as all you have to do is hold each bud for 3 seconds to initiate pairing mode. The touch system is very responsive as well, and features progressive tunnel feedback to let you know your taps are being registered. By using the official Sennheiser smartphone app, you get access to an equalizer which will help you to create your own personalized audio profile. The app also gives you an option to change and customize your touch settings based on your liking. Keeping immersion in mind, the buds feature auto pause and resume option, which means it'll pause your music when you take it off and resume when you put them back on. The audio quality hasn't changed much when compared to the original. It has full support for all the usual codecs. The only difference here is the inclusion of aptX adaptive technology, which greatly reduces latency while maintaining quality, making it an incredible pair of earbuds to use when watching Netflix. For listening to those EDM classics, the earbuds include a bass boost function, so you don't have to worry about missing a single beat. The ANC feature works marvelously as well. Let's say you were walking through a loud and busy street while using these earbuds. You could turn ANC on and completely comprehend every single word from an audiobook at even low volume. The bulky size of the earbuds almost fully covers your ears, delivering solid audio isolation. The battery life was one of the strongest features of the original buds, and they aren't any different on the CX Plus. You can get up to 7 hours of playback with a single charge, that too with ANC active. You can push it even further when you prefer using it with ANC turned off. The problem, however, is you can get only 1.5 charges out of the case. Looking at how bulky the box is, we expected a bit more power from it. The box itself is nothing fancy or out of the ordinary, with a plastic finish and an LED light which indicates battery life. Considering how the case is very boxy, it doesn't feel very comfortable inside a pocket like its peers. Wireless charging is non-existent, and you have to use a Type-C charger to charge it. Overall, for $50 more, you get an active noise cancellation feature, which is something the users really wanted from the original one. You also get aptX audio for low latency performance, which makes the Sennheiser CX Plus an excellent deal for serious audio enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. So that was our impression of the Sennheiser CX Plus. Are you excited about its release and thinking about pre-ordering? Let us know in the comment section. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.